What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Punisher Garage. Today I'm going to be welding up a bung and a valve cover for a turbo car. Alright, what we started with, this one actually, some of them have a PCV valve in it. This one didn't, it just had a little nipple. So what I did is I knocked that out. I made the hole 3/4 of an inch. Made it fit in there real nice. Now I'm going to weld it. There you have it, welded in. Dirty cast sucks to weld. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, help me get to 500. Thanks everyone.